depth my specialized Rockhopper. Mind you, I've had this for about 2 days now of heavy riding. So yeah, so starting off with the specs, this is an aluminum frame, 26-inch medium. This is internally routed. It has a tapered head tube. It comes with all stout components. It comes with a specialized fast track on the back and specialized ground control on the front. It has hydraulic disc brakes, a 2x8. Other thing I like this seat. It is the specialized bridged seat. It has body geometry technology. It is a shorter seat, but a fatter seat. Come with a very long seating. All my personal add-ons to this bike. Let's start at the front. We have a Schrader cap. This screws on. It's just metal. Then I have my Bontrager lights here. They're little ultralight lights. Then we have carbon spacers that I put in here. Moving down, we have the bottle cage, which you can see here, and the bottle. And the Hot Laps gripper, which we will be releasing a video about next week. Make sure to stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment. We will be doing a very exciting video next week. Yeah, so stay tuned for that.